Hello everyone, Connor here from Rosen Nissan Madison. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set your AM, FM, and SiriusXM presets. So if you can see on the screen here, we're on 104.1 right now, which is a very popular station here in Madison. I'm going to set it to 98.1, which is our third preset right now, but I want it to be our first one. So what I'm going to do is use our tune/scroll knob and go to 98.1, which is right here. And then I'm going to go to this number 1 right here. So you can see the labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to hold down until the 1 turns white, and that's going to beep at you. And that's how you're going to know that your station has been presetted. That is going to be the same process for AM radio as well. So again, let's just say if you wanted 700, I'm making up a number. You can click the 1 and hold down, and you'll be 700 for the first one. And then if you go over to your SiriusXM, you're going to have a bunch of different options here. So let's just go to the Beatles station right now. And again, if I want that to be first, what I'm going to do is hold down right here, which in this case it already was, but I'm going to do it again for the second one. And there you go. And then a cool thing about the SiriusXM is you can kind of tune and scan some of the features on here. So if you wanted to customize your favorite songs, look at certain sports teams, edit your traffic and weather due to location, you can do so. And then I'm just going to go back there. And to get to that menu, you go to SXM menu. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope that helps a little bit. If you have any more questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Have a nice night.